Okay, 2 cillions. Let's put these pictures in here now. This is kind of a creative part of the slideshow. I like this part. So I hope you remember how to do this. We've done this in a limited basis on 1 or 2 pages, but not on something as big as this where we have 5 slides. So remember how this starts out. We want to put a picture in to our title page here, and that's what this is. We've created that already. And then we're going to put pictures in for all of our other slides as well. And I'll talk about that in a second. But there's a big difference between the picture we're going to put on our title page here and the pictures that we're going to put in our slideshow, these smaller pictures that we're going to put in, and I'll talk about that. When we do this picture for habitat, we're going to try to find a picture, and we can't always find the perfect picture, but we're going to try to find a picture that shows our insect in its habitat or in its home. And I'll give that a try here in a second. But first of all, our introductory picture, we just want a nice general picture of our insect that gives you a good shot of its anatomy or of its body parts and a good shot of it just physically. So go to your insert, okay, and you're going to go to image, click on that, oops, click on that, click on that, and then you want, sorry, you're going to click on it. You want search the web is your second one there, working better on the computer than it is on the smartboard, so that's what I'll do. Search for images, so you put in your insect there, so mine is a walking stick. I'm going to do that, I'm going to click. I'm going to have a look for a nice general picture that shows my insect the way I like it to. A nice starting picture here. And let's see. I'm going to go with, I don't want to get too picky here because I don't want to belabor the point, but I'm going to go with that one right there. Good. And then I'm going to click on insert, so that gives me a good shot, a preview, and then I'm going to click on insert, watch the magic happen, boom. Now, this is where all of my students struggle, is sizing this picture to get it in here. So what I want you to notice, we've done this before, there are boxes on the outside. Those are like little pull tabs that we can use to size our picture. So right now my picture's way too big. I'm going to size it by going over first here, and as soon as I click on the edge of my photo box, I'll see that red line, so that one's in there. I'm going to go up again. You can see that red line, it'll click, or so you can release when you see that. Bring this one down, again, red line, there it is. At any time you can have a look. You can start dropping it and let it go, and then have a look and go, oh, I'm too far up, bring it down. So now all I have to do is fill that box by dragging that last box over to the edge of my photo box, like so. Voila, a little bit high at the top here. Good. Okay, there's my first photo. And it worked pretty good. I like the picture to start that off. It gives a good shot of my insect. Okay, now I'm going to find a picture for habitat. So, same thing. I'm going to go to Insert, Image, search the web. I've already got walking stick typed in there, so I can just start looking here for one that shows a good picture of habitat. Okay, let's see if I can find something like that. Let's see, I like that one. Kind of shows the insect. It's a good camouflage picture too of it, so I'm going to use that. It shows the walking stick in its habitat. There again is the magic. Wow, really well hidden here. I believe the walking stick is somewhere around there. Yeah, wow, that's well camouflaged. Okay, again, got to size the picture. It's not going to work like that. It's too big, so I got to get it into this box on the left side. So I'm going to drag and drop. Size it up. Again, see those red lines. Good. Over. Okay, I wasn't sure there, so I let go, and then now I can see that I'm a little bit short of that box, so I'm going to move it over. There. Good. That's bang on. Drop that one a little bit. Perfect. It's nicely sized. Again, I can barely see that walking stick. That is a good example of a walking stick in its habitat. So, perfect picture for this slide because it's about habitat. All right, so now you could go on after you've got the first 2. Keep going. Do one for diet, okay? Do one for appearance, and do one for fun facts, a picture. Fun facts can be pretty well any picture you find that you like of your insect. that is the second stage. So put those photos in, then you're done with the second video. Next week, we'll get the rest of it done. So this is a good start. We got our layout in, we got our slides set up, we got our pictures done. Great job, friends. Now we're ready to finish it off next week.